Many of you, like me, want to make a startup in 2025, but you don't know where to start. You don't know where to find ideas, and you don't know how to evaluate those ideas and make sure that they're a good fit for the market. So how do you answer both questions? Today, I'm going to be exposing my entire blueprint on how I find good startup ideas that solve people's problems and serve a certain market segment. And I'm also going to give you the blueprint on what I do to completely evaluate whether or not a startup is going to succeed with real people and real customers for little to no money. Let's take a look at an example on how you can find new startup ideas that solve people's problems. How many times do you go on the internet and search for your problem and you find your solution on a subreddit in a person's answer? 9 times out of 10, my problem has a specific subreddit that always seems to solve that problem. So how do you use that to create a successful startup? Well, first off, you go and find a website like Reddit list that shows you top trending subreddits in the last 24 hours, 1 week, or even a month, or even a year. Then you try to find a subreddit that you can create an app out of to solve people's problems. Now, this is one I found a lot. There's a lot of financial literacy subreddits that constantly answer questions about finance. So a basic app would be a financial literacy app that teaches people using AI what they need to do with their finances. So the basics of it is you import your entire finances using Plaid or something like that, a third-party API, and then an AI would analyze all your finances all together and give you recommendations on what you should do and what you should tackle using different financial literacy methods. That's one of the ideas. Furthermore, I found a subreddit called Design My Room, where you can upload your layouts or pictures of your apartment and it will design your house or give you recommendations on how to maximize your space. You can use different AIs like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or whatever you want to upload images to them, and it will give you recommendations on how to organize your furniture. Users can take pictures of their layouts or take pictures of their apartments, and an AI will tell them where to put each item. Those are subreddits that you can easily create apps out of, and if you're interested to know how to create an app using AI tools, I already uploaded a small video about it. Go check it out. It's linked in the description, and it will teach you very important key points that you need in order to create a startup using AI tools. Okay, so you found the idea that you liked, but you don't have the financial means, or you don't want to invest time and effort and money into it before you actually know that this idea is worth it and people will actually like it. How do you evaluate it? This is a piece of advice that I got from one of my mentors who recently exited out of his startup. Nowadays, you don't need a product to launch your startup. All you need nowadays is a landing page with a hero section explaining your startup and a sign up section where people can sign up to be reminded or notified when your app goes live. So what you do is you go on something like lovable.dev, and this is a website or an AI tool that lets you fully develop full stack web applications without any code. Now, since this page that I'm telling you about is very, very simple, it's very easy to implement. So you don't need much technical knowledge in order to build it. What you're going to do is you're going to go on lovable.com and you're going to bring a requirements sheet of your app. If you don't have a requirements sheet, you could go to any AI app or AI tool and ask them to create a requirement sheet for the app idea that you have. You want to take that requirement sheet and go to lovable.dev and ask it to create a website with a landing page and a hero section that basically just explains what your app is for users. And now on your hero section, you want to give users the option to add their full name and their email to sign up for notifications when your app goes live. And as you can see, I'm building one right now out for the app that I'm making on this channel. So what's the next step? The next step is to create a bunch of social media channels like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, any social media you can get your hands on. Hell, even use Twitter. Once you've done that, you want to create different accounts and start uploading content about your website. And also in that content, you want to link to your website. Now, if you want to cheat a bit, you can create ad campaigns that redirect to your website so you can capture users' emails and full names and capture their interest. The more interest you garner through these ads, the more likely the app will succeed. Now, imagine you did an ad campaign and you got 500 people signing up to that newsletter that are very interested in the app. They look at the landing page, they're like, yeah, this solves a problem for me. I want this app. If you've got 500 to 1,000 signups, I think it's time to start building that app. You want to build an app with as little features as possible. You want to create a beta version that solves the main issue that your users are having. You don't want to spend a lot of money or time or effort on it. You just want to get a beta version that is good looking enough that users won't click on it and think it's a virus. Once you've built that minimum lovable product, you want to send out emails to those users that signed up originally, and out of the 500 to 1,000, maybe 100 or 50 will actually reply to that email with interest on joining your beta program to test that app out. And that's a very important thing. This is very important because now you have a small community that you can put on Discord that you can ask them for advice. And hey, maybe some of them are actually builders, finance people, or marketing people that would like to join you on this journey of building a startup. So it's very important to get the right people in the beta program and then asking them the right questions and asking them for the right feedback so you can do some A/B testing or testing in general to get the best product possible. So that's all the pieces of advice that I have on how to choose an idea and how to evaluate the idea. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for joining me on this journey of building my own startup. Today, we built a landing page that we will be using to garner interest on different social media channels. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2025 as a goal of mine, and only you can help. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. By the way, in the description, you'll find a link to my Discord community that I just created. In this Discord community, I'm hoping that users can find their next co-founder, engineer, or even designer for their next startup. Now, if you join this Discord early on, you will get a founder's membership for free for a lifetime. In the future, this founders membership will cost money, so quickly join the Discord so you can be a part of this awesome journey. We're still in early stages, but I believe that we can all build this together. So join the Discord community. It's in the description and pinned in the comments section, and I'll see you guys there.